Okay, hi and welcome to Doctor. My name is Arvind Chittapalam. My fix number is CE200100. So today I'll be presenting this part with the software. The software that we choose is Excel. So for the first part is state the mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum value for dependent and independent variable. So first, we need to add the independent and dependent variable in the Excel. As you can see, this is the independent and dependent variable. So now for the first part, the value of data, number of data that we have is okay, value of data is n. So because we need to find the value of data, let's count then bracket, then you need to highlight this, then close bracket. That's that's 40 data for independent and dependent variable. Count and okay. The next part is we need to find uh, the mean here. So this part is this. Okay, now for this we need to find how we're going to find is computers storage and open bracket highlight right is then close bracket. This is average for independent data. The same method is used for the dependent data. So equals storage open bracket highlight the data then close bracket. Okay. The next part is we need to find standard deviation. So for standard deviation, the code is so for standard deviation the code is STEB. Okay, highlight the variable. Okay, this is a standard deviation for independent variable. And for the same method is used for dependent. We okay, that the dependent variable. So this is just standard deviation. So for the next part, we need to find minimum and maximum value of the independent. So now we just need to okay. So for this, the code is equals just type minimum, then open bracket, highlight the independent variable, then you will get the minimum value from this one. So the minimum value is 5. For the max value, so for the max value is just need to equal. Okay, so for the max value code is you need to equal this at max, open bracket, highlight the data for independent variable, and close bracket. Okay, so the max value for this data is 65 for independent. The same method is used for dependent variable. highlight, same for max value for x, open bracket, highlight, close bracket, 88. Okay, that's all for this part. So we'll be going for the next part. Okay, for the next part, we need to find the sketch. We need to sketch the scatter diagram with regression line for the data. Now, we need to do it in Excel. Okay, the way to find the scatter diagram is you need to highlight this, the data, independent variable, dependent variable. Go to insert, I come to charts, all charts, plus X and Y scatter, then custom. Then as you can see here, the chart is displayed. Okay, next you need to go to quick layout. We choose the layout 9. Okay, now as you can see here, this. So as you can see here, there's a line. This is known as regression line, and for the data, and the data of the regression line is on here. So y is equals to 0.3631x plus 23.598, and r square is equals to 0.1076. Okay, that's all for this part. Before that, you need to change the axis title. For this, for y-axis is dependent variable, which is wave power, while the x-axis is independent variable, and change the chart type. Okay, for the next part is C. Assuming the linear regression, use the least square method to find the simple linear regression. They ask us to use a least square method. Okay, let's go to Excel. As you can see here, I already did the least square method. Okay, first, this is the y value. As you can see, we already get the y value from the chart. Okay, how to do is you just need to uh, 0.3631 times by this value, and then plus by 23.598. Then we just need to enter. Okay, then the value will come. Then the next way is you just drag it. Then the value will be displayed. The next part is the same way. You need to minus with the actual minus predicted. So this is the actual value, and this is the predicted value. Okay. Then for the next part is you need to times with this. I mean the residual square. So I times this twice. Then the next way is you just need to take this. Then you just click here and drag this. Then the value will pop up. Okay. Then for the next part is you need to find. Okay, for the next part is you need to check the significant A0.04 of the simple regression model. Okay, for this, we need to go to data analysis. Just go to data, click data analysis, go to regression, okay, then press. Okay, then you just need to input the y and x range. So the y range is this, as you can see here, and then you just need to drag it. Okay, then for the x range is this, just need to drag it. Okay, then you just press OK. Okay, so this is the summary output for the data. You can see here. Okay, this is the summary output for this data. So as you can see here, they ask us check the significant. A is 0.04 simplification model C. So it's less than 0.05, as you can see here. Here, the significant is less than 0.05. Okay, that's all for this part. Okay, for the next part is we need to find the intercept and slope for this data. Okay, first let's go to Excel. Okay, so as you can see, I already did the intercept and slope value. we get it. Okay, how to find is you need to type intercept, then highlight this data, this dependent variable, then comma, then highlight this independent variable. Then you just need to press enter, then the value will pop up. Okay, so the next part is the slope. And same as before, you just need to equal type slope, then highlight the dependent variable first, then comma, then highlight the independent variable. So the value is then we will get the intercept and slope value. That's all for this part. Okay, for the last part, we have explaining how to find the correlation Pearson correlation. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, so as you can see, I already did the table. Okay, find this first Pearson correlation. You need to click press equal, then click FX. Then you need to type CORDL, CORDL. Then you just press go. Okay, then pop up. Okay, then for this every one, you need to highlight the independent variable first. Okay, then for the next part is you need to highlight the dependent variable. Okay, then you just press OK, then the value will display. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.